Future innovation. We are going further. Automation has become another leap in the history of human evolution. More creative tools have been created. Robots will definitely open a new chapter in human civilization. AUBO Robotics. Focusing on the future, opening a new era of human-machine collaboration.
我们早在2009年就开始着手协作机器人的研究，到2015年成立公司，我们完成了很多技术积累和沉淀，从技术原型到产品设计，到真正实现产品化的过程，我们经历了很多。
AUBO i5, the first collaborative robot, KOBOT, launched in China. We successfully broke through the technical bottlenecks in core components of robots, including control system, servo system, reducer, motor, and others.
采用一体化关键模块设计，实现了关键部件的全国产化，在提升产品部件的匹配度的同时，也使产品的售后服务周期与费用大幅降低，为客户提供最大便利。
AUBO Changzhou is the first Chinese KOBOT production plant. AUBO Robotics is the first Chinese KOBOT company that has overseas branch. In 2014, we set up Smoky Robotics R&D Center in USA. Now we have branch in USA and Germany, and our products export to America, Europe, and worldwide.
AUBO Robotics International operation covers over 50 countries. It's supported by a network of distributors worldwide. We also employ over 100 professionals in multiple disciplines: engineering, software development, R&D, manufacturing, and so on. We look forward to supplying you robotic needs worldwide.
AUBO i5 has remarkable performance. Repeatability, positioning accuracy 0.02 millimeters, absolute positioning accuracy 2 millimeters. Before calibration, AUBO i5 KOBOT has achieved the same performance level as similar products abroad and shortened the gap with a top international brand gradually.
协作机器人的精度和效率无法和传统工业机器人媲美的时代即将结束。
Through our powerful R&D center, we independently develop our own robot operating system platform internationally. AUBO Robotics is the first company who proposed a real-time ROS architecture of multi-core isomerism, designed low-end embedded processor, supported lightweight ROS architecture, improved the ROS system control cycle from 10 milliseconds to 1 millisecond to meet the real-time motion control in robot system.
即使初学者也可以在半天内完成机器人编程，友好的用户操作设计，可视化的图形用户界面，操作简洁，可以通过3维模拟提前确认及实时监测编程内容，支持拖动视角及轨迹视角功能，实现机器人自我学习。
Open software architecture, integration of existing software and algorithms, providing a secondary development of API interface and ROS supported. At present, AUBO Robot, as the first domestic collaborative robot in China, has got the EUCE certification, NRTL certification for USA and Canada, KC certification for Korea, and many other international certification mark. As the second generation lightweight 6 DOFs KOBOT launched by AUBO Robotics, AUBO i5 is appropriate for variety of automated precision tasks, lightweight and small size, easy for quick installation and deployment. With high sensitive collision detection function, AUBO i5 can work with people in safety without protective fence. In November 2017, AUBO Robotics held 2017 AUBO New Collaborative Robot Launch Event during 2017 CIIF show in Shanghai, which drew a lot of attention from CCTV, Shanghai Oriental TV, and many other media. During this event, Li Guanan, an academician of Chinese Academy of Engineering, was invited to be the chief scientist of AUBO Robotics, who will assist AUBO Robotics to manufacture intelligent collaborative robots that are nationalized from operating system platform to key components. Furthermore, AUBO collaborative robots has been reported by Economic Daily, Southern Metropolis Daily, China News, Shenhua, Science and Technology, and other mainstream media and website. AUBO i5, our flagship KOBOT, has been successfully applied to 8 industrials, including 3C, logistics, metal processing, healthcare, catering, decoration, academy, engineering training, etc., and start massive promotion. AUBO Robotics, providing more imagination for the transformation and upgrading for traditional manufacturers. AUBO Robotics. Produced in China. Collaboration creates future.